Nabonta geteko bari ya to the Kisi New Life PBS program that started the 7th, that was on Monday, and we are progressing well. So far we have 6 stations. We have the stations where the children are just moving from one station to another. Tunaita Serengeti, kuna yenye tunaita Giza, kuna Nile, kuna Sahara, kuna Victoria na kuna Kilimanjaro. Hii VBS ilipewa majina yenye inapatikana Afrika, na it is based kwa upendo wa Mungu unaitwa agape love. Huo ndio upendo ambao tulikuwa tunajifunza. Tukaanza kwa uumbaji, that is the creation. Tukaingia kwa kumpenda mwenzako jinsi unavyojipenda wewe mwenyewe as one of the commandments, na tukaendelea na mengine ambapo tulikuwa tunajifunza the 10 commandments of God. Hayo yote vile yanafanyika, watoto wetu wanaendelea kufurahia, na walimu tuko wengi hapa ambao tunasaidiana. Kuna wale wenye wanatusaidia kwa upendo kwa sehemu ya skill, that is the craft section. Kuna sehemu ya nyimbo, teacher Tylers. Kuna upendo craft section ni teacher Jacqueline yako in charge. Tuko na Elda Machuki ambaye anasimamia Team Talks, na tuko na Vanis ambaye anasimamia Victoria Group ambayo ni snacks. Watoto wakishasoma wanapata snacks kidogo, na tuko na Elda Edwin na walimu wengine wanashirikiana katika klasi ya Kilimanjaro ambayo ni ya Bible study. Tunashukuru Mungu kwa umbali huu, na hii program inaendelea kufunza watoto jinsi ya kumpenda Mungu na kumjua na kushika amri zake na kuishi kwa upendo wa kila mahali ama kwa jamii ambapo wanaishi. Hayo ndio ninaweza sema kwa sasa, nikisema kwamba Mungu ni mwema kwa umbali huu, na tunaamini kwamba tunaendelea kujifunza mengi na bado tutaendelea kujifunza mengi. Hata watoto watakapokuwa nyumbani wataendelea kujifunza mengi kulingana na hii program ya Vocational Bible School, yani VBS. Asante.
Hello, my name is Rachel Mora. I'm here at VBS where we are holding our VBS 2025 for the Kisi New Life SDA Church. We are really having a good time. Maybe before I can continue, as you can see, I'm holding food and I have a snack. It's called Makuda. It's from Morocco and it's very sweet, like it's very sweet. This is part of what the children are making over here. We have various stations, and personally I'm in charge of the music station. In music station, we are able to teach our learners new songs, basically about the theme of this year, Agape. So we have taught them various songs, and the parents can testify that when they go home, it's those songs that they keep singing every now and then. The learners are able to experience that love and also put it into practice. Yeah, so about the music station, it's interesting, and all the learners will always look forward to come to the music station. And interestingly, the learners also have their favorite song called Upendo. Yeah, they have been singing it over and over again. And also as individuals, as teachers, we are able to also think through about the agape love. You know, sometimes you just say agape love, but as you're also interacting with the children, you also experience the agape love. So yeah, we want to thank you parents for giving us their children. Without them, it wouldn't this far, and we are hopeful that by the end of the years, they'll come out better than they came.
Thank you so much, viewer. I am Elda Wycliffe Machuki, one of the teachers, VBS 2025. Our VBS, we are stationed at Genesis Preparatory Comprehensive School. Na mwaka huu tumekuwa tukiongelea mambo mazuri ambayo yana-encourage wanafunzi wote na watoto wote to learn about God. We have based our VBS in the African setup, whereby we are teaching our children on how God of love is shown in various things that are found in Africa. Africa is rich of so many beautiful things. We have beautiful mountains, we have the wildlife, the Masai Mara, the Serengeti, and such like of kind of wildlife areas. We have beautiful things, people and the culture. So from my class, I was handling the theme talks, and the theme talks we are telling people how the children, how Africa in its rich culture is appreciating and showing love to others. The greatest point we are learning is that even the mountains, the people and in their culture, and even the wildlife in Africa, it's all showing love, the agape love of God as it is. We see the animals as they live happily, we see the beautiful mountains, we see the people and their cultures, we see the savannah and the beautiful areas in Africa, and when you see them, you appreciate the love of God that is unto us. All these things were given to us that we may enjoy the love of God with us. Welcome all of us that we may learn. Our children are so exciting. They have been excited with the teachings we have had, and I know this VBS is imparting knowledge to our children as they prepare for the soon return of Jesus Christ, and as they share their love to others and they show love to those who they study with, to those who they live with, and to their parents as well. Thank you so much.
How is it?
My name is Brandon. VBS is a really good program. I'm enjoying. I made new friends. We have good food, and our teachers are very kind and nice. Yeah.
Thank you, Brandon.